Okay, welcome. This is a quick tutorial to help you fix the error you encounter when you try to open the software and it's not opening. So I set the password, the username is admin, and we have the password too. So you click on login and it brings up this error. An error occurred while executing query, unable to connect to any of the specified MySQL um, host, MySQL host. Okay, when you have this particular error, this is all you have to do. Uh, Click on your Windows icon and then you search. Just type MySQL, and then open the workbench. Okay, so allow that to load. Okay, your SQL is now open. This is the workbench, MySQL. So, in your case, you will have just one of these, not two. You'll have maybe local instance, but whatever you have here, I know you have just one. Just click on it. If you have two or more, just look for the one that has root and localhost 3308. 3308. Don't forget. Okay, so you click on this and then it opens. Okay, so it will open this. Now, if this comes up, you notice we have refresh and there's nothing here. You look at this section, you see there's no connection. That is the reason why you're having that error. So click on the administration tab, and then click on start up where you're under instances, start up and shut down. Then come. Look at the saver is not running. So click on start saver. And then when you have this, just click on yes and allow the saver to start. So if you look at this, the message log, you see as if this comes up, click on OK and allow it to continue. It says can't connect, assuming server is running, but it's not showing that server is running. But it's what is here is running. We are not very sure. We can only be sure if it says server is running, not assuming. So all you have to do is click on the refresh status. Okay, it says assuming server is running. Okay, connection succeeded, assuming server is running. What it said here before was cannot connect, but here it's saying connection succeeded. And then you notice we have bring offline. So it means our server is actually running. So once you have these two buttons and the saying running, and you have this connection succeeded, you can close this. Please don't alter any other thing. Close this and then try logging in again. Okay, so that should fix the problem and your application is up. That's all you have to do. Thank you very much. Then you always have this situation anytime your system does not turn on, anytime your system goes off on its own. There are lots of background processes running on your system. And if they do not go off, if they do not shut down properly, you'll have that error. MySQL is one of them. If it does not shut down properly, you'll have the error and then you have to manually start it. Okay, so that is that. Thank you very much. I hope that helps.